Welcome to Cardanit Tutorials. Today we'll dive into what happens after you launch the simulation and show you how to monitor the simulation process as it's running. We'll also look at how you can manage simulations and download simulation results. To see what's happening with your simulation, open the Simulations page. It contains a list of all the simulations you've run for the project and their status, which could be pending, running, completed, or failed. From here, you can rename a simulation, delete a simulation, download simulation results in XML format, and access the results table and heat map. But that's a topic for another tutorial. And that's it. Now you know how to monitor your simulation in real time and manage your simulations. Why not try it for yourself? If you haven't already signed up to Cardanit, click the link in the description and get started now.